this is where I'm at right now. I got all the wires installed. The distributor, that's the Pro Billet distributor. I went ahead and disconnected all the old ignition system here. Rewired the alternator. Did all this wiring here. And let's see what else we did. Oh, this comes from the box. I still have to tighten these up a little bit. Again, I haven't wrapped anything because I don't know if it's going to start yet. I haven't started it yet. That's a Mighty Demon carburetor there. And this is what it looks like with the wire. Well, let's start on the back right here. What I did is I redid these wires here. The negative right here and the positive comes from the switch. From here it goes all the way to the starter. This here is going to be a dedicated electrical system for the MSD box. I put a mega fuse here. The reason being is I had two lengths of wire and it wasn't long enough, so what I did is I just tapped into here and used a fuse and just ran it up front. You can see it here. Again, I'm still not done. There's the wire, that little wire there, that's for the fuel pump. So it comes this way, and right here I put another mega fuse, which, I mean, it's overkill, but there it is. And I'm getting everything electrically from here, and this comes directly from the battery in the back. All of these switches here go to those relays. Here's the MSD box right here, and this wire here, I'm going to show you what that is for. This is all the wiring for the MSD box, the coil, the tack, all of that. This here is for a switch, and just some extra wires here that I need to put together. Let's go to the front, and we're gonna see what this wire here is for that activating switch that I'm using on it. This does have an LED right here, and if I turn my ignition switch on, you can see it comes on, so we know the MSD is fired up already. Let's go up front. All right, here's what we got. That switch is going to be it's a brake switch actually. We have voltage on it right here. You can see it's on, and because the battery is on. Once you shut the battery off, that switch will come off. What this does is it pressurizes and it activates the switch. Thus it will activate the two-step on the MSD. That's going to be for a launching. I'm going to use that for launching, and of course the rev limiter will be for the for top end. But let's fire it up and see what happens. All right, okay, here we go. Got that. This is fuel pump, this is ignition. I need to mark these. We turn the ignition on, the light comes on the MSD, the fuel pump. Give it a couple pumps and it should fire right up. Okay, that was my two-step. I have it activated at 2100 RPM. I didn't want to go any higher. I have the brake switch set at 600 PSI. The first time I did it, I only got to 400, but once I get to 600, it activates the two-step. Anyway, that's where I'm at right now. I got to do some cleaning up on these wires. I have to set the timing because I took the old distributor out. But I think it's going to work good. Hopefully it'll give me better, you know, better reaction times, because I am going to be launching at about 3,300 RPM. So that's what the goal is. But anyway, this is what I got going. Like I said, all those wires are going to get cleaned up. It's Friday night. I'm tired. I took the day off and I worked on this thing, so had some other stuff I did today. But thanks for watching this video. I'll see how it works and we'll go from there. Have a good weekend, be safe, and see you next time.